గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. Working in this production itself is a big deal for any actor. Yes. Learning. So thank you so much, Canvas sir, for this opportunity. Thank you so much. It means a lot. I think not any actor, but especially for the newcomers, it's like a big deal. And I'm working in this film. It's like, yeah, dream come true. Thank you so much, Sam sir, for this opportunity. I am nervous. This is my first film, and yes. Hemant, you have done a fabulous job. This story is like really, really amazing. Suresh, I think Suresh, more than humble, and yeah, of course, he's humble, he's nice, he's cute, he's handsome. But more than that, I think he's a great teacher. He has taught so many things, so many things. So thank you so much for that and being so kind. Thank you. I think I and Gayatri had just one day work, but that was a really great day for me. So yeah, just fabulous team. So I'm very grateful. Thank you.
So I have a question for you too. So the same question goes for you. Do you find Sirish Garu more cute or Buddy more cute?
I like Aditya Ram Captain more. So yeah, Aditya Ram Captain is more cuter than
More than any of us, I think the cutest thing here is you.
it's you, definitely.
మాతో మీ వ్యాపారాన్ని పెంచుకోండి. అన్ని రకాల వ్యాపార ప్రకటనలు మా IOTT ప్లాట్ఫారంలో వేస్తాం. అతి తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో మీ వ్యాపారం నిమాతో ముందుకు తీసుకువెరతాం. అన్నింటిలో మీ వ్యాపారం ప్రచారం చేస్తాం. మీ వ్యాపారం మా ప్రచారం.
మీ వ్యాపార ప్రకటనల కోసం ఈ నంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి.